Gemma 4 Hands-on Tutorial, Practical Usage Explained. In this video, we will dive into practical techniques for using Gemma 4 effectively, equipping you with skills to maximize AI tools in your professional tasks.
Welcome to our Gemma 4 hands-on tutorial. Did you know that Gemma 4 can boost your productivity by up to 50%? Today, we're going to uncover practical ways to integrate this powerful AI tool into your daily workflow, transforming the way you tackle tasks. Whether you're new to AI or looking to refine your skills, this guide will provide you with actionable insights and techniques. Let's get started. Setting up Gemma 4 is straightforward but crucial for optimizing its capabilities. Start by downloading the installer from the official website. Once installed, launch the application and follow the guided setup wizard. Make sure your system meets the minimum requirements to avoid any lagging issues. Navigate through the user-friendly interface to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and tools. During setup, you'll configure basic settings like language preference and data storage options. It's important to address any setup challenges early, so refer to the community forums or help center if needed. With these steps, you'll be ready to start leveraging Gemma 4's full potential. One of the strengths of Gemma 4 is its customizable settings, allowing you to tailor the tool to your specific needs. Start by exploring the Settings tab, where you can adjust the interface to suit your workflow. Personalize your dashboard by selecting the functions you use most frequently. Optimize speed and efficiency by configuring the performance settings, reducing latency, and enabling quick access features. Ensure your data is secure by reviewing privacy settings and setting up robust security protocols. Customizing these settings not only enhances usability but also maximizes the tool's efficiency, giving you a competitive edge.
To fully leverage Gemma 4, integrating it with other tools you use is essential. Gemma 4 is compatible with a variety of popular software, including project management tools like Trello and communication platforms like Slack. This integration allows for seamless data transfer and improved workflow efficiency. To set up integrations, access the Integrations menu and follow the prompts for each tool. Each integration usually involves authorizing access and configuring data sharing preferences. By streamlining your workflows through these integrations, you'll reduce redundancy and increase productivity. Gemma 4 excels in real-time problem-solving thanks to its advanced AI capabilities. Whether you're facing a project delay or a data discrepancy, Gemma 4 offers tools to analyze and address issues immediately. Start by using the real-time analytics feature to identify the root cause of a problem. Troubleshoot common issues with the built-in diagnostic tools, which provide actionable solutions. Leverage the AI's predictive capabilities to forecast potential challenges and mitigate them before they arise. Real-world case studies show how companies have resolved issues swiftly using these features, enhancing their operational efficiency.
Data analysis is a key component of Gemma 4's functionality, empowering you to make informed decisions. Begin by accessing the Data Insights panel, where you can view comprehensive reports and visualizations. These tools help you interpret complex data sets and identify trends. Use the data to inform strategic decisions, whether it's optimizing resource allocation or forecasting future needs. Be mindful of common pitfalls, such as over-relying on a single data source or misinterpreting statistical anomalies. By effectively analyzing data outputs, you'll enhance your decision-making process, driving better outcomes for your projects. Gemma 4 offers robust project management features, making it an invaluable tool for organizing and executing projects. Use the project dashboard to track progress in real time, manage tasks, and assign responsibilities. The collaborative tools enable seamless communication among team members, fostering an environment of transparency and accountability. Set deadlines and automated reminders to keep everyone on track. By optimizing team workflows using these features, you ensure that projects are completed efficiently and effectively. Embrace Gemma 4 as your go-to project management tool and watch your team's productivity soar. Collaboration is key to any successful project, and Gemma 4 facilitates this with its integrated communication and resource sharing tools. Start by setting clear communication protocols within the platform, ensuring all team members have access to necessary information. Use the shared project spaces to upload and manage data collectively. Gemma 4's project tracking features help maintain transparency, allowing team members to see real-time updates and progress. Regularly review and adjust collaboration strategies to enhance team dynamics and ensure everyone is working towards common goals. Implementing these best practices will result in a more cohesive and efficient team. To illustrate the power of Gemma 4, let's explore some real-world case studies of successful integrations. At a tech startup, Gemma 4 was used to streamline their development process, resulting in a 30% reduction in time to market for new features. Another case involved a marketing firm that integrated Gemma 4 for data analysis, leading to more targeted campaigns and a 15% increase in client retention. These examples highlight the significant impact Gemma 4 can have on productivity and efficiency. By learning from these successes, you can implement similar strategies in your organization for maximum benefit.
In conclusion, Gemma 4 is more than just a tool, it's a gateway to enhance productivity and professional growth. We've covered setup, customization, integration, and real-time problem solving, equipping you with essential skills to maximize this AI tool. Remember, continuous learning is crucial in the ever-evolving tech landscape. I encourage you to explore more features of Gemma 4 and join community discussions to share insights and strategies. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with colleagues. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching.